Let's try to read image from my local system. I have already image name at batman.png in my local system. Let's see what that image is. So I have this image in my local system, Batman having a nice vacation. Let's try to read it through my Python code using Opencv. To read the same image, Opencv provides cv.imageRead function. So inside this, we'll have to supply the path of the image from your local system. Here I am supplying the same path where it is stored in my system, and I'm trying to read it. I will just run the cell, and the red image is stored inside sample img variable. Display the image. OpenCV provides imsSo function to display the image. We will just have to pass the variable where the image read has been stored along with the protocols of witk and destroy all windows. The moment you run the cell, it will create a separate window and it will display the image for you. So but the problem you see here, it has created a separate window for you. That's why we will use further onwards matplotlib. So in this function which I have created, display image, you will just have to pass the path of the image and it will display the image for you. Let's run it and see the output, how easy it is. Voila. So you see here, earlier we will have to go to a separate window to see the image. Now it's been displayed in inline. That's why I'm using matplotlib to display images here.